Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a golf hole. First, you'll need to gather your essential tools, including a golf hole cutter, a cup, and a flagstick. Next, select an ideal location on your course or lawn, ensuring it has good drainage and a clear area around it. Finally, mark the exact spot where you intend to cut the hole to ensure precision. Once your spot is marked, it's time to cut the hole. Use your golf hole cutter, applying steady pressure and rotating it to create a clean, circular opening. The standard depth for a golf hole is at least 4 inches, so aim for that measurement. Carefully remove the soil plug to keep the hole's edges neat and tidy. With the hole cut, you can now install the golf cup. Gently but firmly insert the cup into the opening, ensuring it sits level and snug. The top edge of the cup should be approximately 1 inch below the putting surface. Finally, place your flagstick securely into the center of the cup, making sure it stands upright and stable. To finish, smooth any rough edges around the hole with your foot or a small tool for a professional appearance. Regular maintenance is key. Check the hole frequently for any debris and ensure proper drainage, especially after rain. Also, consider rotating your hole locations periodically to prevent excessive wear on the turf around a single spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.